Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes and reactions on Facebook. So first of all, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook application to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your App Store or Play Store, and in the search bar just simply search for Facebook and download or update the app. Once you updated the app, the easiest way to do is just open the Facebook application on your mobile and make sure you are logged into your account. After you logged in, you can see this is how it's going to look like. What you have to do is just simply tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and then scroll down and expand the menu called settings and privacy. Once you expand this, you will find this option. Just go to the one that says settings, and as you go to settings, you will be able to see various options. At the very top, just go for personal information. So at the very top, just go for this profile settings. So in profile and settings, you will see these options. You have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and under feed settings, you will find this option that says reactions preferences. If you don't find it, you can also simply search for this. So just tap on this. Now you can see two toggles over here. On the first toggle over here, we have Facebook is going to hide likes and reactions from other people's post to you. Now this is including to you all, but if you want to hide on your post as to where no one else could be able to see your own reactions, then you can turn on this second toggle which says on your post. Other people won't be able to see the total number of reactions on the post you share to your profile. Reactions console still appears on your post. Other people's place such as groups or other content as. So this is the second toggle that you want to turn it on if you want Facebook to actually hide your reactions. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.